What is going on, guys, and welcome back to Farmer on the Prairie. We're going to be combining later today, but first we got to do something. Y'all know what that sound means. It is time for a road trip. Got a part in the combine grain tank. The combine grain tank that's broken, and I got to run over and pick up a support piece for the grain tank for the out auger. It's been broken, like welded 2 times before. It's just a thin steel tube, so we got to go get a new one this time. Hopefully that will be our final time doing this. But yeah, I need to get going over and get that part at a combine junkyard. Okay guys, it is almost 3 hours later and I am just getting back close to home. I'm gonna get home, put that support back in the grain tank, and then probably eat lunch and start harvesting. Dad might be off drilling wheat for somebody else doing a custom job, so he might not be back for a while, but we do have about 2,000 bushels of capacity before anything needs dumped. So that means I can harvest about 36 acres. So yeah, we'll get started right after lunch and hopefully get that field done today. Okay guys, so I'm gonna jump on the 14 real quick and take a bunch of wagons out to the field, and then I'm gonna jump in the combine and start combining. Dad's off drilling wheat for somebody, so he's not gonna be able to help until later this afternoon. All right, we've got all the wagons lined up there. Now we're gonna go get the combine. I almost forgot, I need to make a real quick repair to the reel over here. Now it's up. Gonna put the auger in and pull out of the shed. And the beast is about to come to life. We have made it out to this field now. We've got 70 acres left to do, and it is time to get started. we're gonna have 200 bushel on this wagon in no time at all, so maybe he'll make back with an empty wagon before this one's full. So we've been going along for a while now. We've got 48 acres done in this field. We're not able to get as much done early today as we wanted to just because of the late start. But we're cooking through it now, and hopefully with this cloud cover, we won't get an early dew and can keep going for a while. Well guys, unfortunately this has got to be my last round. We got a really late start today, waiting on it to get fit. I wanted to get going a lot sooner, but we've only been going for 4 hours. We'll have right at 40 acres done. I wish I could get more than that, but well, you get what you get. You can't wish for something different. It's just getting tough. The hulls are starting to separate a little bit on the beans, and I think it's causing some grain loss that's coming through on the monitor. And I've also had to speed the rotor up to not be choking the combine off. I'm just gonna finish this round and call it a night. Alright guys, so I'm done for the day. Dad and I might come back and blow the combine off later and fill it up with fuel and stuff, but that wraps it up for day 3 of harvest, even though we did not get that much done. Let's hope that tomorrow morning the dew's burned off by 10 o'clock and we can get started and hopefully get 80 acres done tomorrow. That would be a great feeling, or so, 80 or 90 acres, but that's kind of setting my bar a little bit high. So, with that being said guys, that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I will see y'all next time.